All right, so now we're going to move to another feature, which is the profile section. We're going to create the functionality to get the user's profile. And if you click on this arrow here, you see that we have two options here. The first is the profile, and that will just fetch the data about the user. Okay, so first off, we're going to just create that in our auth services. So remember, everything that concerns authentication, we put it inside a folder called auth services. So for now, let me just close out all of these ones that I think for now we're done with. So add products, product details, product slice, and even the product service. Yeah, and then I'll just open my auth service. So I know it looks like we're coming back to something that we've left for a while, but that's because I wanted to follow the structure of how the menu was. So I just wanted to build from top to the bottom. So the last thing we're going to build is this report bug page. Anyway, let's just build out this one first. So for the product, for the user details, let me see which one was the last one we built was. Okay, so the last feature we built was to get the login status. So now we want to get the user data. And remember, for the user data, we which route did we use? Get user profile. So let's click on that. So you see, we did API /users /get user. Okay, so now this is the route we are going to make a request to get the user. So let me just okay, I think I should just duplicate this one first. So this get login status, I'll just duplicate it, and then I'll just like that. So now let's change some things here. So here I'll say get user profile, like so, and then this is also going to change to get user. So get user. Okay, so now let's get into it. So axios.get, it's a get request, that's correct. So you see here we have get, and then the backend URL /API /users, and then the last thing here is /get user. So we're just going to change that here as well to /get user. Then we'll just return the response.data, which will now be the information about that user. So that's about it for the function here to get the user. I'll go ahead and save, and I think since we have some time here, we can now create the route that will point to this user profile. So I'll just come to okay, you know what, I'll just separate it. So in the next video, we'll create the component and the route that will point to the user's profile. So see you in the next one then.